If you don't have a lot of time to cook, this is a recipe for you. Ground beef, cream cheese, mozzarella, a yellow onion, Parmesan, garlic, tomato sauce, cheese tortellini. So let's get cooking. I'm gonna get my pan warmed up to about a medium heat and get that ground beef in there. I'm just using a ground chuck. It's like a lean, and I'm gonna do 2 packages, so it's about 2 pounds. When I cook, I like to make enough to have leftovers. We have to use our onion goggles because I've tried every trick in the book and they don't work for me. Another tool I have to have in the kitchen is this meat chopper. Season with your heart, ladies and gentlemen. Don't worry, we'll have more later. I'm using mozzarella. That's what my family prefers, but you use what you want. We cooked down the beef, okay? The onion is in here. We drained that. Then I used a can of tomato sauce. Use Italian seasoning. Again, we're measuring with our heart. I don't want a little bit of flavor. I'm going in with parsley. And I'm gonna go in with some garlic powder. It's like a minced garlic, actually. We're gonna let this simmer. The lady, I'm gonna tag her down below that I got this from on TikTok. She used Rayo's, so you could definitely do that. My family just prefers like a homemade, you know, with my seasonings and stuff. Pepper, salt. We're waiting for 4 minutes for that to boil. So we have our block of cream cheese. I just went and like cut it into little cubes. We're gonna let that go in there. We're gonna make a mess everywhere. That's awesome. We're gonna mix it up and it's gonna get nice and creamy. We're gonna turn our oven to 350. Let that preheat. Get out a baking dish. This is the one I'm using. We'll transfer it in here. Your tortellini, put it in your sauce. Take some of that mozzarella cheese that we shredded earlier, put it on top. I'm gonna put this on a baking sheet because I don't want it to spill out all over my oven. Throw it in the oven for about 15 minutes. We let it bake for about 15 minutes. Now we're gonna turn on the broil and we're gonna watch it closely. We want that cheese to get a little more brown and bubbly. And then we'll be ready to eat. My goodness, it's done. Did you think I forgot the cheese? I did not forget the Parmesan cheese. That's where I was gonna put it.
First bite. You've never made this?
No.
Right? No.
It's called tortellini bake. I know we're not big tortellini people, but.
That's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
So you walked in, you're like, it smells really good in here.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, good. Yeah.
This is delicious.
All right. Is it so good?
Yeah? You're smiling.
What do you think?
Great.
Good?
Yeah, good job.
Okay, thanks.
Killed it.